Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So, which requires audio editing. So, open N24 audio in a suitable audio editing package. So, we need to open this particular file in a suitable audio editing package. So, the audio editing package that I'm using is called Audacity. So, this is my Audacity application. So let me open the file. So this is the file that we need to open, N24 audio. So open the file. So the file is open like this. So that's the file. Now moving on, we are told to change the speed of the track so that it is twice the original speed. So we need to find the speed. So the speed of the track, we find it on the effect. So you go to effect, you find change speed. So if you look here, the original speed was actually this, because I'd already tempered a little bit with the file. So this is the original speed that is there, that was there. So if you check the size of the file, the size of the file is so like 4 minutes 58 seconds. Now, if you are changing the speed, if you are doubling the speed, what happens is when you double the speed, the file is reduced by half. So now the original file was 4 minutes 58 seconds. Now it's the new file length is now 2 minutes 29 seconds. So that's the effect of doubling the speed or increasing the speed to be twice the original speed. So the original was 1, so just multiplied by 2. Now moving on, I'm just going to click OK. And you can see the effect of the change. Now, the next part, you asked to change the pitch of the track from the key of B into the key of C, D. So we are changing the pitch. Another simple task here. So we're going to effect. Then change the pitch. So we are changing from B to what? So they are telling us we need to change from the key of B into the key of C, D. So change that into that. Then you click OK. So the change is done. So move on to the next part. Trim the length of the clip so that only 35 seconds remain. So we need only to remain with 35 seconds there. So in order to do that, I'm just going to do a selection. So my selection would start from, so I need to remain with 35. So if you look here, this is 10, 20, 30, 40. So it should be in between around this area. So what I'll do is I'll just do a selection. So a selection which goes up to around this. So now it's showing 35, so I can change the selection start here to 3500, so that is the exact value. So this is 35 seconds. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to edit and delete. So I've deleted the selected part, so I'm just left with a clip of 35 seconds. So moving on, mix down the tracks so that the finished soundtrack is monophonic. So we need to mix down the tracks. So as you see, the tracks have 2 channels currently. So we need to mix it down to monophonic, from stereo to monophonic. So we are going to go use the tracks, then we do the stereo to mono. So click on that. So we now have got a single channel there. The next part, set a 2-second fade out on the track. So we need a 2-second fade out on the track. So what I'm going to do here, I have 35 seconds. So if I have 35 seconds, I have to go up to 33, I think. So my selection should start at 33. So that's the selection. So I've selected only 2 seconds there. Then I go to effects. Then I'll choose the fade out. Now the next part, I'm going to export the file. So you're finishing off. So export the file as a .wav format with the file name. So you put this as the file name and your details. So export the file as a .wav format. So file, export audio, then you locate the folder you want to put the file, then you type your details after this, then the file type, we want to export it as a .wav format. So you save. So it will be exported as a .wav format. So the next thing is to export again in a different format. We're going to export it again as a .ogg format. So what I'm going to do, the same process. So file, export audio, then now we're going to export. You add your details on the file name, then save as type. You choose your OGG format, then you save. So that was a quick task on Audacity. So this is audio editing. So the audio editing part of October-November 2024 information technology paper 2 AS level. I hope you have found this helpful. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next video.